Well, I am reporting from outside the Civil Aviation Ministry office in the national capital, and right now the government is hell bent on sending a strong message regarding passenger rights and operational accountability, considering this huge Indigo meltdown has happened today. In fact, 850 flights have been cancelled. Indigo flights and passengers are still stranded right now inside the office. The CEO of Indigo, Mr. Peter Elbers, is inside. He has been summoned by the ministry officials. And what are the important things that will be discussed in here? Well, the government sources tell us that there could be a potential removal of the CEO's position by the government. But does the government have the legal backing to sack a chief executive of a publicly listed private company? Well, that is something that needs to be questioned. Second, what the government sources are telling, that there could be a high level of penalty, that hefty penalty that will be imposed, and there will be operational curbs on Indigo. These are the things that are on the table while this meeting is underway inside with the CEO of Indigo. Remember, the CEO has already issued his public apology twice, but we understand in the last 5 days, thousands of flights have been cancelled, leaving passengers completely traumatized at this point in time. And we also understand that the Civil Aviation Ministry, they have rolled back the DGCA has rolled back the pilots resting rules, the safety resting rules of the pilot, that has been rolled back. On the other side, the Congress, the opposition parties, they are hitting out at the central government, stating that there should be a complete rollback of these rules of the pilot resting rules. And they are also hitting out at the fact of this duopoly in this aviation sector. We understand that Indigo is India's largest airline, and it almost controls 2/3 of the domestic market. So we also understand, if there is even 10% of disruption in Indigo's operational issues, if there's only 10% of disruption, there could be 400 to 500 flights cancelled like this. So we understand that for the last 20 years, Indigo has given flawless service, but in the last 5 days, their reputation has been hampered. There has been a huge trust deficit on the part of the passengers who are still stranded. Although Indigo has said today that the refund of all the passengers whose flights have been cancelled, that will be issued by tomorrow. The reunification of their baggage will also be done in the next couple of days. They are working and prioritizing on reducing delays of these flights as much as possible, and they're hoping that things will stabilize, the operations will be stabilized in the next 3 to 4 days. But right now, where I am reporting from, a very crucial meeting is happening, because at the end of the day, it is about operational accountability, it is about passenger rights, and government wants to send a strong message. So will Indigo see a removal of the CEO post? Will there be operational curbs on Indigo? Will there be a hefty penalty imposed on Indigo? These are the three things that we will keep tracking from here at the Civil Aviation Ministry. With camera person Kanan Patra, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.